Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching. This is Helen. Oh my goodness you guys, I'm super excited. If you haven't heard the big news, we finally hit 100k subscribers and I am so grateful for each and every one of you because I couldn't have done it without you. You are a big part of the reason why I continue to do what I do, and so I thank you so much. I consider you guys to be my friends, my extended family. So as a big thank you to you guys, I will be giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. Now for a chance to win, these are the requirements. You will need to be subscribed to my channel. You have to give this video a big thumbs up and you need to comment down below 100k. Also, if you have an Instagram account, you will need to follow me there. I will have all these instructions and my Instagram account in the description down below. Also, I will be announcing the winner live on YouTube on Sunday, September 27th at 8 p.m. So again, I will be announcing it on Sunday, September 27th at 8 p.m. live. I wish you guys all the best, and again, my many thanks. All right, now so let's get into the DIY video. This is my inspiration for today's creation. I saw these online and I decided to create them on a budget. So to get started, you're going to need these garden dishes from the Dollar Tree. These are fairly new. They just started carrying these not that long ago, maybe last year. And this one here, they've been having for a while. I guess that's also a garden dish or terrarium of some sort, if that's what you call them. But again, these are from the Dollar Tree. I will be spray painting the inside gold and the outside black. So as you can see, this is the end result. The other ones are still drying. This is what that's looking like. So what you're gonna need, or what I'm going to use, is some Mod Podge. I have some here in this bowl, and I'm also going to use gold leaf. I will link this gold leaf down below. They also have silver and a rose gold. Like I said, I'll link this down for you guys below. So here I am. This is my first time using this. I didn't quite apply enough of the Mod Podge, and here I am. This was a hot mess. I was putting it down, and then I don't know what I was thinking. And then I was peeling it off. I should have just left it alone. I don't know. So coming up, we're gonna give this a second go. Now I know that my desk looks pretty neat, but believe me when I tell you, there was gold leaf all over the place. And why am I brushing it off right now? I have no idea, you guys. So let's try this again. So this time around, I apply more Mod Podge. I can never say that word. Let me know if I'm the only one. Mod Podge. Anyway, so here I put this down, and this time I left it alone. And then basically this is just very fragile. You know, once you put it down, you know, it just sticks pretty much to one piece, and so you just have to do your best to distribute it evenly. I'm going to apply some on the side as well, as you see here, and so forth. Now at the ends, when this dries, you want to go ahead and brush off all the excess. So this is what it's looking like when it's all dry, and I'm going to be using, these are the cover to some what do you call it, capers, or yeah, that's what they were, just cover to the caper. Guys, we're using what we have at home. That's what I'm doing. So use what you have. You can use, I recommend you use your E6000, but for this video, I'm going to just use my hot glue gun, and actually I think it held on pretty well. So I just had collected these, and I give them a good spray paint, and then I'm just going to glue it on there for all three of the larger ones. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the smaller bowl. Now for this one here, I'm using these, you know, gold battery operated. I will link these down for you guys also. I just put them on there just like that, and I was fine with that. Now these are not command strip, which is my preference. This is kind of like a dupe for that, so if you can get your hands on some command strips, I would recommend it. But these are kind of like the same concept as if you were using command strips. I'm just going to show you. You take the opposite ends, there's a fuzzy one and then one with like the little teeth. You put them together, and then you're going to peel off one end and you're going to stick that to your object. And this is a fairly light piece. So, and then you're going to peel the other side and then put that, you know, stick it on the wall. It's that simple. And this is the end result, you guys. This was fairly easy in my opinion, and it looks beautiful. The smaller bowl, as you can see there, I just laid the tea lights just like that. It has a little ledge, so they weren't going anywhere. Now, if you want to create a ledge for yourself, go ahead. If you want to do some kind of like a small candle holder on the edge, go ahead and do that. Again, you guys, I'm always just here to give you inspiration and ideas, and I just love the way that it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful. I usually give away or donate my creations, but this time I'm going to hold on to these. I am in love with the gold leaf. I'm definitely going to do more DIYs using the gold leaf, and like I mentioned to you guys before, I will link them down in the description for you guys if you want to purchase and recreate this. And I love the way it looks on the side. You can see the black peeking through. I think it's beautiful. Let me know, as always, you guys, what you think about this DIY. Let me know if you're going to be recreating it. And also too, you have the option to use the silver gold leaf and even the rose gold. Let me know if that's something you're going to be doing, or if you're going to stick to the gold. But I can't believe we did this for so cheap with the Dollar Tree planter bowls, or whatever you call them, versus the real thing that are always so expensive and nobody would ever know. I really do hope that you enjoy this DIY. And again, you guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you're not subscribed already, please do. I would love for you to join the channel. And for those of you that continue to follow me and support me, I so appreciate it. Thank you for helping me reach this milestone. And if you give this a thumbs up to enter and to let me know that you like this video, it'll just keep me going. I'll see you guys on the next one. I wish you all the best. Bye.